My Paramount cleaning system will not cycle. I have disabled the run pause button, but it didn't make a difference. Pressure of 20 psi seems okay. What else could stop the system from cycling? I even bought a new module, but no change.
Typically, if your system quits cycling between zones, then it's the manifold inside. Where if you pull it out, you should see that, like, some of the plungers are kind of slightly open and it no longer has that pressure. So if you're saying you bought a new manifold that you put in and it's still not cycling, you said you disabled the run pause though? I check the inside of the cap and see whether or not if it's stuck kind of in the pause position, so it's no longer moving. But in general, it's going to be the manifold. So if you do have really hard water and something's gummed up, so Paramount's only real solution as to if it's not moving is to literally take the manifold out, the gear set, put it kind of in the water, like sideways, hold it, and just swish it back and forth a few times to try and wash it out. Then put it all back together. But I would see whether or not that that it's sitting kind of properly and evenly into the well, I mean, I don't know, I'm drawing a blank, but make sure that the gear set is sitting flat and tight and that the run and pause switch is working. Other than that, if your pressure's right and it is indeed going through there, then I also check your pressure gauge. Make sure that 20 psi is indeed legit, like that the pressure gauge isn't broken and stuck there. But it should work. So those are about the only tips I can give.